Hi, my name's Ian Yarwood. I'm a lawyer in Perth, Western Australia. I've been prompted to bring this short video to you today following a decision from the High Court in London and an article about that decision that was published in The Guardian about 12 hours ago. This is the beginning of the article here, and I will be providing a link to the article below the video, so please check it out in full. One particular sentence I will read out though goes as follows. The High Court order said that 5 times the NCA breached government rules designed to prevent UK law enforcement from inadvertently aiding human rights abuses abroad, known as Overseas Security and Justice Assistance Guidance. Of even more interest to me though were some comments by Reprieve. Mayor Phyo of Reprieve made some very interesting comments in the article, which I will share with you now. Reprieve said the evidence and intelligence was used selectively against Zaw Lin and Phyo, and that the NCA material potentially pointed to other suspects that could have bolstered the defence case. However, this information was not given to the defence team. Mayor Phyo, the director of Reprieve, said, "It is bad enough that the NCA secretly handed over evidence to help secure death sentences in a country known for unfair trials and torture, but they now admit that they did this illegally, without any proper thought that their actions could contribute to a grave miscarriage of justice, with 2 men now facing execution. UK cooperation with foreign police and security forces should be open and transparent. Government agents shouldn't have to be dragged through the courts for the public to know what is being done with their money." In fact, the whole concept of having a fair trial involves the defendants knowing the case that is being brought against them. What tends to happen in Thailand is that important evidence that is held by the police that could assist the defendants is routinely kept from them. So this just doesn't help with having a fair trial. I discussed this whole issue with Jane Torpin. This is a picture of her here. It was a picture taken by the BBC when she attended the trial of Zaw Lin and Phyo back in July of 2015. Some of the comments that she has made to me concerned the fact that important evidence such as the clothing of the 2 victims, David Miller and Hannah Witheridge, were not made available for inspection. That clothing can reveal all sorts of information that could either assist the police case against the accused men, or it could undermine the police case against the accused men. But in any event, by providing all of the available evidence to the defence, it means we can proceed with a fair trial because the defence knows the case against them. Now, in the case of David Miller, there are a number of cut marks to his face, his neck, and to his left collarbone. I haven't included actual pictures of David here, but if you want to search the internet, it's easy to find pictures with these cut marks. Now, obviously, if he has these cut marks and he's wearing this particular t-shirt, which was the shirt he was wearing on the night of the murder, one would expect that if he's wearing that when he is attacked, one would see blood all over that shirt, and one would also expect to see a cut mark near his collarbone. However, the Thai police initially said that David was naked on the beach with Hannah and they were having sex. Now, that would hardly be consistent with the physical evidence if David's shirt was bloody, which was one thing which was subsequently said. If his shirt was bloody with a cut mark made by a knife, or consistent with a cut mark made by a knife, that would be consistent with David having fought off multiple attackers. And it would also show that the police had quite deliberately lied by saying that he'd been naked on the beach. If they had very strong evidence that he was wearing his shirt when he was attacked, then that's quite inconsistent with him being naked on the beach. And that would have just been obvious to them. So it's open to conclude that they would have been lying. Well, thank you very much for watching this brief presentation, and I hope you enjoy reading through, or you at least find it informative to read through the article that I'll provide a link for. If you've enjoyed watching this, please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye.